So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing some kind of Christmas incredible cake decoration ideas. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful for you and useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas cake decoration. If you are a good baker and you know how to do decoration, so you can do such kind of decorations. These are the super interesting ideas, super exciting ideas, and all the ideas are super stunning. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even here are some kind of easy ideas that you can easily make it, easily decorate, and give to someone. If you want to give someone on Christmas, you can even give a Christmas cake, and even Christmas gift ideas also mentioned in a video. You can also visit our channel for such kind of videos. And guys, we share Christmas makeup ideas, Christmas school decoration, Christmas home decoration, Christmas tree decoration ideas, even tutorials. So you can visit our channel for such kind of videos. And guys, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.